In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open my Gmail inbox. Whether you're brand new to Gmail or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through it clearly and include a few helpful tips along the way so you can get in without any confusion. First, open a web browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Any modern browser will work. If possible, make sure your browser is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. That helps pages load smoothly and keeps your sign in secure. Next, go to the Gmail website, click into the address bar at the very top of your browser window, type www.gmail.com, and press enter on your keyboard. The address bar is where you see website links, it's not the search box on the page. Double check the spelling and look for the secure padlock icon next to the address so you know you're on the official Gmail site. If you plan to come back often, consider bookmarking this page so it's just one click away next time. If you're already signed into your Google account in this browser, Gmail may take you straight to your inbox. If not, you'll see the Google sign in page. Start by entering your email address in the field provided and click Next. Type your full email address, including everything after the @ symbol. If you use more than one Google account, you might see a list. Select the one you want to open. Now enter your password and click Next. Passwords are case sensitive, so check your caps lock and take a second to make sure everything looks right before continuing. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving your password and make sure you sign out when you're done. You might also be asked to verify it's really you, for example, with a code or a prompt on your phone. If that happens, simply follow the on screen instructions and you'll be back on track in a moment. After signing in, your Gmail inbox will open automatically. You'll see a list of your emails, usually under the primary tab. Unread messages are typically bolded, and newer emails appear at the top. At the very top of the page, you'll find the search bar to quickly locate any message, and on the left side, you'll see the main menu with options like Compose and your labels. If you don't see a message you expect, check other tabs like Social or Promotions. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.